This dessert will conquer you. Mix the eggs with sugar and vanilla sugar, stirring continuously. Pour in the milk and vegetable oil. Mix in the flour with cocoa and baking powder. Add the cocoa flour to the bowl. Mix well. Add lemon juice and lemon peel. Pour the batter into the baking pan. Bake for 20 minutes. Cut out small circles from the sponge cake. Brush with orange juice. Place a strawberry on each circle. Prepare the whipped cream. Cover the strawberries with whipped cream. Sprinkle the cookies with sponge cake crumbs. And powdered sugar. The perfect dessert for any event. Place the wafer rolls in the removable tray. Grind the biscuits. Add melted butter. Put the mixture in the pan. Press with the spoon. Place in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Mix in the whipped cream with powdered sugar, vanilla essence, and mascarpone. Put half the cream in the pan, in the fridge for 20 minutes. Melt the dark chocolate in hot whipped cream. Add the Nutella. Pour the chocolate over the vanilla cream. Place in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Put the second layer of cream in the fridge for 30 minutes. Decorate the cake with wafer rolls, cocoa, and strawberries. In the fridge for 30 minutes. The most beloved dessert in Italy. In a bowl, mix 5 eggs with salt and sugar. Pour in milk. Add flour, rum essence, cocoa, and mix again. Pour in a little more milk, carbonated water, and vegetable oil. Mix well. Fry pancakes on both sides. Prepare the cream from liquid whipped cream. Grease the pancakes with cream. Dissolve instant coffee with hot water. Soak the biscuits in coffee and put them on the cream. Roll the pancakes into a tight roll. Separate the whites from the yolks. Mix the egg whites with salt and sugar. Add powdered sugar and flour. Pour the mixture into the baking pan. Bake for 35 minutes. Prepare the vanilla custard. Cool the cream for 40 minutes. Mix the butter. Mix the boiled cream with butter. Cut 2 equal sheets of sponge cake. Cover the sponge sheets with cream. Grease the edges of the cake. Sprinkle the cake with grated white chocolate and coconut flakes. In the fridge for an hour. Dessert in 5 minutes, no oven. Grind the biscuits in the blender. Add melted butter and mix. Place the biscuits in the removable tray and press with the bottom of the glass. In the fridge for 10 minutes. Mix the cream cheese with powdered sugar and whipped cream. Add in finely chopped fruit and gelatin soaked in milk. Put the cream in the fridge for 10 minutes. Cover with crushed biscuits. Sprinkle with coconut flakes. In the fridge for 2 hours. Prepare the tea with whipped milk. Draw a large circle on the paper. Prepare the cooked dough. Put the dough in the bowl. Mix the beaten eggs with the dough. Place the cooked dough in a pastry bag. Form the dough into a large ring. Brush with beaten egg. Sprinkle with flaked almonds. Bake for 20 minutes. Mix the butter. Prepare the boiled cream. Refrigerate the cream for an hour. Mix the boiled cream with butter. Cut the dough ring in half. Spread the cream on the dough. Cover with the other half ring. Sprinkle the cake with powdered sugar. The cake that conquered the internet. Prepare the boiled cream. Add butter. Dip the puff pastry cookies into the cream. Spread the cream on the biscuits. Fill the springform pan by alternating layers of biscuits and cream. Sprinkle with puff pastry crumbs. In the fridge for 2 hours. Sprinkle the edges of the cake with crumbs. In the fridge for 30 minutes. Recipe in 5 minutes with few ingredients. Place the soaked biscuits in a baking tray. Prepare the cream. Divide the cream in half. Mix half with melted white chocolate. Pour over the biscuits. Cover with biscuits. Mix the second half with Nutella. Pour over the biscuits. Cover with biscuits. Fill the baking tray alternating layers. Refrigerate for 4 hours. Cover the dessert with cream and grated milk chocolate. The taste of childhood. Cake ready in record time. Separate the whites from the yolks. Mix the egg whites with salt and sugar. Add egg yolks, orange peel, sifted flour, and vanilla sugar. Pour the batter into the baking pan. Bake for 30 minutes. Cut the sponge cake in half. Prepare the boiled cream. Add butter. Cool the cream for 30 minutes. Mix the whipped cream with powdered sugar. Add the whipped cream to the boiled cream. Pour a portion of the cream over the sponge cake. Cover with sponge cake. Put the second layer of cream. Sprinkle with sponge cake crumbs. In the fridge for 3 hours.